Okay, so anyway, we've just bought this. It's a universal crossbody phone strap, and we're having trouble getting it out of its package, apparently. So I think we're gonna have to use it. I think we're gonna need, honey, I think I'm gonna need some skizzers. All right, let's get this thing out of here. We bought this at Marshall's for, I think it was 10 bucks. All right, so it should just pop out now. There we go. So yeah, there we go. So check it out. It's like, oh, it's magnetic. That's interesting. This side here is magnetic, look. Oh no, it's not magnetic. I thought it was. I guess you can pull it tighter. See, see how you do that? And then you just kind of go across like this. And then this is gonna go on the bottom of your phone. We're gonna show you how to do that right now. As you can see, we've got a multitude of cases. And so now we're gonna show you how this works. You gotta kind of, oh, wait a minute, hold on. Maybe you take that off of there and then slide that off.
What's the difference?
Take it off of there, so you
Oh,
don't.
and goes
so you
in
don't.
This way. Oh.
Yeah, and then you slide it
You think that fits
through
in there?
that way. Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Now you gotta hook it. Here, now hold it.
No, I know how to do it. I just was wondering
Okay.
how sturdy that
Now
was.
put your phone in.
Because this, I didn't think of taking off of here.
Well, you could use that.
This I just pushed through. Yeah, well,
You want to use that
I
one
could
instead?
switch this one. This seems like a stronger thing than that fabric one.
Well, you know what? You can do
You
that.
know?
Or you just use this.
Yeah. Huh. Interesting. I could be wrong.
I mean, you could use
It's
both of them.
plastic. Yeah, let's use both. Why not? Fuck. Well, that's if they both fit.
I think they will. Oh, the question is will you be able to get to your port, though?
I should be, right? But who knows? One is shorter than the other.
I think you should just go with the longer one.
But I like the idea of the extra.
Oh, yeah, I guess you're good. Now just hook it on. Does that work? Yeah, it's working. All right, so that works.
This cord is bad, though.
All right, so now you just got to put your thing on there.
And back to black, which I liked.
Oops. It's just got one. That's it.
Oh, just one.
Just one.
What is all this?
That is so you
Oh,
can change the
okay.
length. I mean, yeah, I guess that'll do it. That should keep it on there. Yeah. All right, that's how you do it.